Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to align the text on your document in your Canva Docs on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to align the text in your Canva Docs on your PC. So it's simple. For an example, this is a document. You can see this is a document. So I just need to align this first sentence. So I just selected this. You can just use this for align the paragraph or heading or text. So now you have the floating toolbar on the top, and here you can find this near the strike to option alignment. Click on this. So it will be like center align or right align or left align or justify like that. So for an example, the aligned is a heading for this page. So I just need to make it on the center of this page. So now the alignment make a role. So just click on this and it will goes to the center. So this is how you just align the text or heading on your Canva Docs on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.